So lately I've been in the mood to listen to some ghosts, and this morning I thought of a great way to mess with my cat. See, Jezebel's a ragdoll, so her face is black and white, kind of like black metal corpse paint. So I thought maybe I could costume her up as Papa from Ghost. See, I took some construction paper and made this little hat for her, and I took an old shirt and made a little cape, made a little cloak for her.
Essentially, the hat was made from construction paper, a pencil, staples, a yellow crayon, and an old paint set. The important thing when doing costumes with pets is to make sure that they're totally relaxed. Pet them, talk to them, whatever it is that you have to do to make sure that you are on good terms with them. Also, it would be a good idea for you to familiarize them with the object that you're putting on them before putting it on them.
There she is. See this right here? This right here is just a little cape for you. It's Ghost Kitty! It's Papa Kitty 3! Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow.
She wonders if you're on the square or the level. And this cat seems to be on neither. I'm your master, the shining and the light, for without which you cannot eat. I'm the force that gives you the place to be.
Oh, you want to be in the video too?
You were a ragdoll, so I carried you on my back so you could corrupt my humanity. Ugh, fighting. Okay, I don't think she likes the hat anymore. Thank you for being a good sport, Jezebel. It's nice of you. Ow! I hope you enjoyed all that pussy!